Hello learners, we are going to see a course on edible oil processing and quality control. Myself, course instructor Poma Devi. In this course, we are going to see about the modules which are listed in front of you. The modules are Introduction to Edible Oils, Oil Seeds and Oil Composition, Health Benefits and Risk of Edible Oils, Oil Processing, Processing of Various Edible Oil, Techniques for extraction, Quality Assessment, Adulteration and Experimenting, Role of Government, and Economics Growth Aspects. This is the module 1. The topic for module 1 is Introduction to Edible Oil and Oil Seeds. In this, we are going to see contents about what is edible oil and the importance of it, sources of edible oils, kinds of the edible oil seeds, different categories of edible oil, major edible oil producers in India, and international producers of edible oil. This is the second module. The topic is oil seeds and oil composition. Oil seeds composition. These are the topics like we are going to see in the module 2. This also includes like nutritive aspects of oil seeds, nutrition in primary sources, nutrition in secondary sources, physical properties of edible oil, chemical characteristics of edible oil composition, factors determining deterioration of oils. Then we go to module 3. The topic is health benefits and risks of edible oils. The contents included are importance of edible oil in our diet. This includes 3 subtopics like functions of triglycerides, functions of phospholipids, functions of cholesterol. And come back then, ICMR recommendation on oil consumption, recommendation of oil and fat intake, consumption pattern of edible oil, food fortification, oil fortification and benefits, risks of edible oil if consumed beyond limits. This is module 4 on based on oil processing. This includes handling, product drying and storage, seeds cleaning, dehulling, size reduction and flaking, conditioning and heat treatment. Refining includes neutralization and degumming. And optional steps are bleaching and deodorization. Lastly comes the storage. After this, packaging, methods and materials, factors affecting spoilage. This is module 5. Topic is processing of edible oil. It includes edible oil processed from seeds like castor, sesame, flaxseed, rapeseed, and mustard. Edible oil from flowers, sunflower, safflower. Edible oil from nuts, groundnut, coconut. Edible oil from legumes, soya bean. From fruit, olive, palm. List of the byproducts and its utilization. This is module 6, techniques for oil extraction. This includes agro-processing of edible oil, the ghanis, heat treatment, solvent extraction from the plants, the expellers. These are the process or techniques used for extracting oil. Equipments used in oil industries, CIP in processing plant, sanitary and hygiene requirements in manufacturing units. This is module 7, based on quality assessment. It includes about FSSAI testing manual, FSSAI quality control, common trials performed, based on like the tests which are performed for all 3 in common. Moisture, free fatty acid, then physical trial performed for edible oil. That is color, viscosity, refractive index, density, specific gravity, frying test, slip melting point. Chemical trials performed. Acid value, iodine value, peroxide value, saponification value. Microbial trials are microbial bacterial count. Physical trial performed for oil cake is the presence of oil content. Module 8 is about adulterants and experimenting. This includes food safety and adulteration, adulteration in edible oils, adulterants in edible oils, then adulterant testing, the presence of sesame oil, presence of palmolin oil, presence of argan oil, presence of cottonseed oil, presence of mineral oil. Then regulations to prevent the adulteration. This is module 9 about the role of government. This includes government initiatives to boost production of edible oil, international standards for testing, export policy on edible oil, standards to be maintained while importing vegetable oil, e-governance initiatives, how to achieve self-sufficiency in edible oil, explanation about the all topics in short. Module 10. It is about economic growth aspect. This includes major features of edible oil, expected outcome in production and import, India's dependency in edible oil, challenges in edible oil production in India, reasons for loss in oil production, crises responsible for sudden price increase in the edible oil in India, summary. This is the end of the topic. We will meet you in the course. Thank you.